Hello everybody and welcome back to question number 13 on the 2017 Cayley contest. So this is the grade 10 contest aimed at the grade 10 level. Of course, if you're younger, you can still write it. And if you haven't already, I encourage you to practice these questions by downloading a copy of the contest. You can click the very first link in the description, or you can find it through your own means. But I do have the first link there provided to give you a copy of this contest. And let's take a look at question number 13. In the addition shown, each of x, y, and z represents a digit. What is the value of x plus y plus z? Okay, so this information might not be enough to get x, y, and z individually, but I might be able to figure out x plus y plus z somehow. Alright, so let's take a look here. I could probably fit the equation down here, but not enough space to work, so we'll just flip over to the next of our infinite number of pages. X, y, z, x, y, z, y, z. These all add up, and I think it was 1675. It was, okay. So when we do this addition, and we just sort of naively do it by hand, we do z plus z plus z, and that's going to end in a 5, and maybe we carry something over. So 3z ends in 5. Well, there's no single digit that just gives me 5 when I multiply it by 3. But if z equals 5, and this is the only way this will happen, we could even make a little chart to prove it, but z has to be 5, and we carry over a 1. Okay? So now, we know that 1 plus 3y ends in a 7. It doesn't necessarily equal 7, but it might. But I know that it ends in a 7. So since it's 1 plus 3y, I can tell you that 3y ends in a 6. And once again, we could make a little chart. Say, oh, what's y? What's 3y? 0. 3y ends in a 0. If it's 1 and 3, 2, we get 6. 3, 9, 4, it ends in a 2 because it's going to be 12. You can make another little chart like this, and you're going to find that y equals 2 is the only possibility. Okay, y equals 2, and then we'll have 3y plus 1 is 7. Nothing carries over. And that tells me that 2x is equal to 16. X is going to be 8. So we actually could figure out x, y, and z separately. X plus y plus z is going to be equal to 5. Let's keep it in order. 8 plus 2 plus 5, or 15. So 15 is our final answer, and that is B right there. All right. I don't think I'll get the next question fit down here, so we'll flip the page again, and we'll get ready for question number 14. I'll see you guys for that one in the next video.